Welcome to this tutorial. How to delete followers on Instagram. Are you worried about some annoying or ghost followers on your Instagram account? You can remove those followers one by one on your Instagram. Follow the steps as shown in this video. Open the Instagram app on your phone. At the bottom right, tap on the profile icon. Tap on the followers next to your profile picture and posts. Here, you'll find the list of your followers. Tap on the Remove button next to your follower's name that you want to delete. At the bottom, in the confirmation pop-up box, tap again on the Remove. This will remove an unwanted follower from your Instagram account. Instagram won't notify users that you have removed them. Wasn't that helpful? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.